any kind of maintenance is performed on a valve, certain preparations should be made. In addition to getting permission from a supervisor and following your plant's procedures and safety precautions, there are some basic preparations for valve maintenance that are common to most facilities. Once a valve has been identified as requiring maintenance, either through a routine inspection or because a problem has been reported, a good first step is to check the valve manufacturer's instruction manual. This will help you become familiar with the valve's internal design specifications and will also alert you to any special maintenance instructions for that valve. Part numbers and other information can also be found in the manufacturer's instruction manual. If you know that replacement parts are needed, consult the manual and order them ahead of time so that they're available when maintenance begins.